channel. So if you are joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell so that every time I upload a new recipe, you are among my notified gang. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare my soft donuts. Let's get cooking. So on to our ingredients today. We are going to be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour. By 2 cups, I mean this glass. I use this glass to measure. And then we're going to be needing some 2 eggs here. We're going to need a teaspoon of yeast. We're going to be needing extra flour to dust our surface when we are rolling our donuts. Then we're going to be needing powdered sugar just to decorate our donuts when you're already done cooking. Then we're going to need a 1/4 cup of sugar. Here I'm just using the normal sugar. Then a glass of milk and some oil here when we are making our dough. So this milk, when it gets finished, you can just add some water so there's no problem. Let's start making our dough. So I also have blue band here, or butter. You can use butter if you have. So I'm going to put it there. Also take in your yeast, teaspoon, and stir everything together. Then add your sugar. Take in your milk. Add egg first. Stir very well. Now we're going to start adding our milk little by little as we make our dough. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I can continue kneading my flour until it is soft. And please note my oil and my milk were warm so that my yeast can rise faster. So keep kneading until your dough is ready. So I've been kneading my flour for about 7 minutes and now it is ready for resting. You can see it is no longer sticking on my bowl, nor is it sticking on my hands. So I'm going to grease my bowl. Apply some oil like that. And I'm going to cover it with my kitchen towel. And then I let it rest until it doubles size. So cover it like that. And put it in a warm place until it doubles its size. So my dough has been resting for about 2 hours now and it has doubled in size. You can see it has doubled in size. So my hands are clean. I'm going to knead a little bit. It is very soft, you can see. And now it is time to start cutting my donuts. So I'm going to use this glass and this small lid. You can use a glass or a donut cutter if you have one. So let me start rolling that. So dust your surface like that. Like a centimeter. A centimeter should be like 1 centimeter thick. Then now take your big glass. And yeah, now take your smaller lid in the middle like that. going to remove this excess flour first, so that we don't distort the shape of our donuts. Then remove them gently and put them in another place. So my donuts have been resting for about 1 hour. I already cut them, remember, I dusted the surface, so they'll be resting for 1 hour. And now it is our time to fry them and finish coating them with our sugar, powdered sugar. So let's get fried. So my oil has been heating up. I'm going to deep fry my donuts. Remember, you should use medium-low heat. If you use so much heat, they will be cooked on the outside but not be well cooked on the inside. And if you use low heat, they will absorb the oil. So gently take your donuts and put them in the cooking oil like that. Gently, so that you don't distort the shape of your donuts. And don't overload, please. Once they are risen, you can turn it like that so that it doesn't burst. So my donuts are cooked on the lower side, so I'm going to turn. You can see that nice golden brown color. Turn them like that, so they can also cook on the other side. So my donuts are cooked on both sides, so I'm going to remove them from my oil. And I'm putting them on a kitchen tissue so that they can absorb the excess oil. You can see they are nice and golden brown and very soft. So I'm going to continue with the process. So guys, I've finished cooking my donuts. As you can see, they are very much ready and they're looking very nice, very sweet. And now I'm going to roll them in my powdered sugar. Take one, you're rolling it like that in your powdered sugar. So if you like, you can glaze yours if that is what you prefer. Let's see. Like that. So now this is the most interesting part and the part that I really love. So you can see I've coated mine with sugar. You can glaze yours or put in chocolate if you like. So my donuts are ready and are very soft, as you can see. Yeah, and very fluffy, very soft. And that is how I prepared my donuts. Kindly like our video and watch others in the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies.